Presenting the Ram 2020 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: bright white clear coat, chrome flat wheel-to-wheel side steps, Tradesman Level 2 equipment group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear window defroster, satin chrome interior door handles. For more info call 800-643-2112. Rear power sliding window, carpet floor covering, electric shift on the flight transfer case, tires, LT 275/70R18 EAL on off-road, spray and bud liner, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, and transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, urethane shift control. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle